Today I'm taking the NOEVSBIG Helping Hands Kit. So we got our instructions. It says for the magnifying glass, that is a 5x zoom. Got one of my personal favorites. These are little magnetic standoffs, so they will stick to a metal surface. You can take your board, you can either stick the mounting holes right to the top of here, or you can place your board right there in between, and you can press these against each other. One thing I like about this one is they actually have what feels like very good magnets. Not all of them have that, these ones do. So here we have got our magic arm jaw. That does have some rubber padding on both sides, so you don't have to worry about scratching anything. And we have 3/8 and 1/4 inch mounting holes. So here we have got our magnetic flexible arms. This is something interesting I don't normally see. So this has a little rubber pad here on the bottom, so you don't have to worry about it scratching anything. Got our magnets directly underneath that. And of course, these are flexible, so we can put that into any orientation that we want. Here we got our alligator clips, so that will just sit into the arm and that will hold it in place. So we got 2 of these arms, and they gave us 3 of the alligator clips. So they gave us 1 full extra set. Here is our magnifying glass. It has definitely got a nice lens on there, nice large lens as well. One thing I'm used to seeing with these is that the controller will usually be a part of the wire. With this, they put it right here on the magnifier so you can easily get to it. So it's going to be powered with a USB-A. And here's our power supply. That is USB-A. It says it's good for 100 and 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic, and it outputs 2 amps at 5 volts. We've got some rubber feet, and we've got an adjustable magnetic arm. Most of the time these kits will come with these flexible guys. This one is one that you can actually lock into place. If you want to make sure it's not going to be bouncing around, this is the style that you want to use. It does still have that same magnet on the bottom, and it comes with the alligator clips pre-installed. So we got 2 of those. It's a very nice set. And then we've got an adjustable arm. It does have a magnet on the bottom, and we got a ball head on the top. That is going to be where we can attach our clamp. So with that, we can loosen up this, and we can spin that around whichever direction that we want. So here is our base plate. Can't see that is labeled. We do have a hanging hole, so if we want to, you can just take the whole thing and throw it on a screw and we're done. And this does actually feel like a fairly heavy plate. So I'm going to take our rubber feet, and we will stick that on there. Very nice. Very solid feeling magnets. And now that we are plugged in, we can turn on our light. So there's a nice bright light. We can adjust the brightness, and we can adjust the color temperature. Very cool. So, got 4 new contacts. All we have to do is trim off those leads, and we would have 2 new capacitors. So overall, that is an excellent kit.